sweetie pie. She's smiling.
I wanted Barbara to have her for a day, but with her arms messed
Yeah.
up, she won't be able to lift her.
No, I don't think so either, Daddy. Where did the passy go? Here it is. You want that back? Say thank you, Beth.
I've got the supplies to make some of those passy clips, but I just haven't had time to sit down and work it out yet. And it would be a fun little project.
It would be. Take that out and talk to us. Let me have it. What? What? Ooh. Found your feet. She's going to take her socks off. Or she's going to play with the lace. There must be a state game today because I've seen a couple of cars.
Boo, boo, boo.
Boo, 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 boo. She's found the lace on her sleeve bedding.
Okay.
Chewing on that.